Welcome back. In this video, we will design a banner for the top part of our website. So if today is your first time stumbling into one of our videos, I want you to take some time and click on the channel and go watch the previous videos so you can follow along. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you get notified every time we drop a new video that can help you with your e-commerce journey. Before we get started with the designing, I want you to head over to the deals and resources page and scroll down to where you see the card that says sample store assets, and we're going to hit download now. And the moment you click download now, it's going to download the file. It's a zip file, a special type of file, and we're going to be unzipping the file. If you don't have a software like WinZip or iZip to unzip it, just go to Google and type in unzip unra and pick one of those softwares and install them, and you can then access the content of the folder. And the content of the folder is just pictures that we've picked for the design process. So once you get that, you will see the pictures are from this CC Wholesale Clothing. These are pictures from one of the models. We took time to just pick one model and pick a bunch of clothes that they already modeled, and we're going to use it just as an example. In your own case, just remember you're going to be taking your pictures of the clothes that you are going to be selling or whatever products you're selling. We're just building a fashion brand. Per se, just an example fashion brand. So we're using pictures from a wholesale vendor. So let's head on back to Canva and design our quick banner using the images that we have in the folder. The first thing we're going to do is click on the template for presentation 16:9. And once you click it, that's your blank slate. And we're going to go to the top left where it says elements and click on grids and see all. Select the 3-picture grid. And we're going to click on that. It fills the canvas, and we're going to go to our uploads and drag and drop the pictures, or you can click on where it says upload files up top right here, and you can upload the files. So I already have files. I'm going to click and move them around to fit them into the grid. And here we go into the grid, and one more into the grid, drag and drop. And now we have a nice banner. We really didn't even have to do much. This took how many seconds, and it's done. Now you can add extra effects or text over the top, but I'm not a big fan of putting text over the top of the pictures. I'll rather use the text that come with the theme itself. But let's add a button. Let's go ahead and add a heading to make it into a button like a shop now. And we're going to go ahead and click on where it says effects, and then go to where it says background. And there we go. We're going to size this down a little bit and go to where it says spread, drag it to 100. Let's change the color white and go back to effects. Let's go back to the background color, make it black. And boom, now we have a shop down button, and we can actually play with the spread a little bit if we want. And that's going to make it either more square or kind of like a peel type of button. And we can even change the color of the text to black and then make the background white. If we want to do that as well, that is doable. Boom, that's it. But I'm not a big fan of that. We can just take it off entirely and just use it plain as it is. And now we can go ahead and rename the top, rename the design, and we can call it Chloe and Ali banner. And once we have it renamed, we can go ahead and click share. Click on download PDF. We change it to JPEG just for the file size. And then we want to make the quality, we can make it 100. The higher the quality, the bigger the file size. And this is a pro feature of Canva. The size as well, you can drag it to, higher pixels, but I just want to keep it 1820 pixels just for the file size. And make sure you're saving in JPEG and hit download. And we are good to go. Now the banner has been downloaded, and we can go back to our online store. And now we're going to replace the logo and add that banner to the top section. So click on the logo and go to where it says logo, click on select images, and I already have them uploaded. And we're just going to click on the logo and watch it pop up. Boom, it looks nice. Awesome. And then click on the banner region, and we're going to select the image. And you can either add the image, or I already have it uploaded. Done. And let's see how it's going to look. Bam! Look at that. The website is coming together nicely. You see that? So that's how you design your banner and have that top part of your website set up. If this is your first time watching our video, you know how to design a banner now, but go back and watch the prior videos and you can follow along with what we got going on here. And like I said, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you get notified anytime we drop a new video that could help you with your e-commerce journey. Once again, thank you for watching our video. I'll see you in the next one.